Good morning. The market is running nowhere as yet. Most of the Asian markets are trading in the green, which means that the Indian markets will also see a higher start. Stay away from risky small cap and mid cap counters and from sectors facing severe headwinds. Watch out for the latest IIP data, which is to be released on this Friday. The upswing may continue with 5,900 acting as near-term support. Overall, the trading range of the Nifty is expected to be between 5,800 to 6,000, but do not be in a hurry to make your purchases. US stocks managed to emerge unscathed on Friday despite a weaker than expected jobs data. The dollar slid post the dismal non-farm payrolls report, but the buck has rebounded from a 3-week low against the yen after Ben Bernanke said that the US Federal Reserve may commit more money beyond the $600 billion announced last month. He also said that a return to a recession does not seem likely. The euro held on to its gains on speculation that the ECB was aggressively buying debt of the troubled peripheral eurozone nations. However, the region's sovereign debt problems are not yet over and may continue to weigh on the sentiments. Meanwhile, crude oil has climbed to a fresh 2-year high and is hovering around $90 per barrel. This week is a bit light in terms of global economic data, though central banks in the UK, Australia, Canada and Korea are scheduled to take up their policy reviews. China is scheduled to come out with its latest trade data later this week. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 6.03 billion in the cash segment on Friday, while the domestic institutions were net sellers of Rs 6.89 billion, according to the NSE website. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 5.68 billion in the F&O segment on Friday. Shares of RPP Infra Projects Limited will be listed today. Dalmia Bharat Enterprises plans to invest 25 billion rupees to set up 2 greenfield cement plants in Karnataka and Meghalaya. Larsen & Toubro has bagged an 7.2 billion rupees infrastructure contract from the Department of Transportation, Abu Dhabi. OptoCircuits India has acquired 76% of the outstanding common stock of US-based Cardiac Sans Corporation. Price of the acquisition was not divulged. HDFC hikes home loan rates by 75 basis points. Siemens will invest nearly 4 billion rupees in the development of wind turbines in the country in the next 2 years. Honda could end up selling its 26% stake to Hero Group as a substantial discount to the market price, but this will be offset by higher royalty payment to 2014. ICICI Bank announced increase in both lending and deposit rates. Central Bank of India plans to raise 25 billion rupees through rights issue in the 4th quarter of the current fiscal to augment capital adequacy. Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries is set to delist its troubled US-based subsidiary Caraco Pharmaceuticals from the US bourses. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are Infosys Technologies. We recommend traders to buy the stock in the range of Rs 3,105 to Rs 3,115 for a target price of Rs 3,230 and the stop loss is to be placed at Rs 3,060. And by ICICI Bank Limited, we advise buying the stock in the range of Rs 1,170 to Rs 1,174 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 1,147 for a target price of Rs 1,235. The derivative strategies are long Exide Industries December future in the range of Rs 171.5 to Rs 172.5 for a target price of Rs 177.5 for a stop loss to be placed at Rs 168.5. And long Hindustan Unilever December future in the range of Rs 300.5 to 302.5 for a target price of Rs 308.5 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 296.5. Thank you and have a great day ahead.